kids, they mean more to me than anything, really.
Hey guys, welcome aboard the Shamrock 2. I'm Kayla. I'm going to be one of your crew members today. So is Panapa, he's my little brother.
I think first and foremost what they need to take into account with the clients when they first come on board is their absolute safety.
In the event of a fire, can we all just assemble down at the top of the boat?
And second of all, obviously, customer service.
If you guys want a cup of tea, Panapa will be able to help you with that. Just go and hit them up about it.
And they're brilliant, they're very humorous.
The toilet is just a normal toilet. No, it's not. It's not the normal toilet. You have to pull the lever down.
They can certainly get a very quiet crew or crowd of clients talking pretty quickly. Push zoom in on the GPS now, so you get a nice big open window of the... Keep right down, that's it. Aotearoa Pāniora from Kaipara, far north, father to 3 beautiful children and our little grandson. Now what we're going to do is once we get through the harbour bridge now is we're going to head across over to the breakwater entrance. Okay. I have a very good name and reputation in the industry and helped other companies to thrive.
And he's not a bad fisherman either. Still learn a lot. I've been fishing since I was a little boy, but you still learn a heck of a lot from Panapa.
I have an overwhelming desire just to be successful for them.
So to say thank you to you all for being here today, to kōrero about our Panapa Charters business.
Kia ora, no den Pāniora taku ingoa, no Taranaki ahau. Kei te marina ahau ki a Panapa Pāniora, e tore ngā tamariki, ko tahi te mokopuna. 4 years ago we had a conversation with them about doing something that would start to generate some money to support your future.
I've done the flyers. You just need to print them out.
They come up with the idea that they would like to set up their own fishing charter business because that's how they've been brought up.
Do we all like it?
Yep, I'm happy with it.
Do you like the design? The signage looks really good actually, I'll say. Hi, I'm Kayla and I'm 17 years old.
Kayla was interested in doing, kind of negotiating and reading contracts and things like that.
This is a good stepping stone to what I want to do in the future. Being a skipper is one of those things on my list.
Boat maintenance.
Lots of that being done.
Good day, my name's Panapa Pāniora. I do a bit of everything.
Well, I reckon a touch up on the cabin and that would be good.
She would have been around about 20.
Can you check our bookings 26th of September?
Ryan has to.
She would like to look at being the booking agent, staying home, looking after baby and doing bookings.
Tomato. Sauce.
Good boy. Yeah, he's awesome.
Obviously vessels approaching us from our starboard side, who gives way?
We give way. My office is here. Yeah, and this is my classroom and this is my home. Yeah.
Panapa's, who was only 13 at the time, had said, well, I suppose you want me to be the skipper.
Bring it back down to 1400 now.
I'm currently studying for my boatmaster's course. I can't drive a car yet, but I'm getting my ticket to drive a boat.
Always keep an eye on your temperature gauges, obviously that's the main one. Kids today have so much opportunity, they just need to be given the chance, and helped and feed along.
I've learnt a lot from my dad, and one day I hope to follow in the same footsteps as him.
I had a call yesterday.
So it was from that hui 4 years ago, and so here we are now.
We've sought information in terms of our financial advice from friends, family and colleagues. The kids have actually sourced information online. We've gone through Citizens Advice, we've also sourced business advisors, business mentors. Citizens Advice is free, doesn't cost anything. Business mentors will come in and they'll sit with us, and they're always there on the way to tautoko and support us.
Panapa Charters is a big part of my life. I've always loved being around the water and fishing and being with my family, so it's a really good way to have all of that.
No, yours is all right. Look, it's good.
Over the summer periods and holidays and stuff, we come out probably just about every weekend with Panapa now. I've had my record kingfish with Panapa, which was just under 22 kilos.
Well, I'm an old seaman myself, 15 odd years at sea, and I just like the way that Panapa operates, and it's a family affair. I just like the whole feeling of it.
The vision for me is that they grow the business. We go from a fishing boat to 2 fishing boats. Down the line they might want to expand a bit more and go to a party cruise boat, so then it becomes a bit of an empire for them.
Looking at what Panapa's created with his family and stuff, it just, goes to show that it's not untouchable,
If I could say anything to young Māori families out there and Pacific Island families who are wanting to follow suit and do what we're doing, I'd say take it with both hands. You're not alone in terms of finding ways and means of getting yourself set up. A lot of it's just total belief in yourselves and people around you, and having positive people around you that can support you and tautoko you and move you in the area and in the direction that you want to move into. Yes, there are risks, but I think the rewards far outweigh the risks.
A choppy sea can always be navigated. When things get rough, you can still navigate yourself through it.
Pleasure as always. All these years we've been working and working and working for other people. Now the exciting thing for me now is I'm pouring all my effort, my time, my experience, everything's going back into my kids. Well done, son.
See you next week, guys.